Have a DTS-HD high-definition audio file? These contain lossless surround sound from Blu-ray discs and high-end audio production. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer, and I'll show you how to play these DTS-HD Master audio files. From my years in support, there is an advanced proprietary solution I use when all other methods fail to open in DTS-HD file. Here's a sneak peek. DTS-HD files are audio files using DTS-HD Master Audio, a lossless multi-channel audio codec used in Blu-ray Disc and high-end home theater applications. They provide bit-perfect reproduction of original studio audio with up to 71 channel surround sound at high sample rates. DTS-HD files use DTS-HD Master Audio encoding based on the lossless DTS-HD codec storing original PCM audio data with high-efficiency compression supporting up to 8 channels at 24-bit 192 kHz with optional core DTS compatibility for legacy decoder support. The DTS-HD format operates under the official standard set by DTS-HD Master Audio Suite from Digital Theater Systems, DTS Inc. The archive's size and complexity exceed the handling capability of native Windows features. Windows supports many audio formats, but thorough editing or repair must be done with specialized tools. To force the file open, right-click your DTS-HD file and select Open With. If DTS-HD Master Audio Suite is an option, test it. If it's not available, choose another program. We are trying to find the specific compatibility bridge. If your DTS-HD file still refuses to open, stay calm. If you're still with me, that DTS-HD file is truly stubborn. We need to stop guessing and start testing. Let's check these critical failure points now. First, playing in VLC. Install VLC Media Player from videolan.org, which natively supports DTS-HD Master Audio Playback. Open DTS-HD files directly in VLC for playback through your audio system. Configure audio output settings to match your speaker configuration for optimal surround sound experience. Next, using FooBar 2000, install FooBar 2000 with appropriate DTS plugins for high-quality DTS-HD playback on PC audio systems. The combination provides bit-perfect output through ASIO or Wasapi audio drivers, ensuring lossless reproduction of the original DTS-HD content through capable audio equipment. Finally, converting to standard formats. Use FFmpeg with appropriate DTS-HD support to convert DTS-HD files to FLAC or WAV format for use in other audio applications. Run FFmpeg input.dtshd-output.flac for lossless conversion, preserving the original audio quality with broader application compatibility. If compatibility checks failed, it is likely because the file extension name is shared by different developers for unrelated formats, causing your PC to use the wrong reading language. Rather than guessing, you can try switching to a dedicated parsing engine that is built to identify file structures autonomously and may offer a better chance of opening stubborn formats. Our troubleshooting is complete. The failure of the previous step suggests a need for superior format intelligence. FileMagick is my recommendation for professional-grade access. FileMagick.com has the download. Thank you for being a subscriber. If you're new here, tap that button for more specific file format guides.